How to add products to Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the Products section in the left-hand menu. Once there, click on the Add Product button, which will take you to the product creation page. On the product creation page, you'll need to fill out several key fields to set up your new product. Start by entering the product title, which should be descriptive and clear. Next, provide a detailed product description that highlights its features, benefits, and any other relevant information that might help customers make a purchasing decision. You can use the rich text editor to format your description, add bullet points, and even insert images if needed. After completing the basic information, you'll need to set the product's price. Enter the regular price and, if applicable, a sale price. You can also configure inventory tracking at this stage by entering the quantity available and setting up SKUs, stock keeping units, if you use them. If your product has variations such as different sizes or colors, you can add these as variants, each with its own price, SKU, and inventory information. Images are crucial for showcasing your product, so take the time to upload high-quality photos. You can add multiple images, and Shopify allows you to drag and drop them to reorder or set a featured image. Additionally, you may want to set up product organization by assigning the item to a collection and adding relevant tags, which can help with categorization and searchability within your store.